Hallelujah, Jesus is alive. When I sing that song, you know what that means. It's an Easter DIY, but not just any DIY, it's a unicorn DIY. What's up, crafters? It's Drea with Clueless Mom DIY here. I help you do easy and affordably awesome decor from your home that any clueless crafter can do. And today we're making Dollar Tree DIY unicorn basket. Now, I would love to take credit for this idea. Believe me, I would love to take credit, but unicorns are so popular right now. They are such a hit. They're all over the place. So this is actually inspired by Wayfair. And what I can take credit for is saving you some coin because it's a Dollar Tree DIY and it costs way less than the $54 plus tax you would pay to buy it on sale from Wayfair. So I hope you guys are gonna like this easy, quick tutorial. It's super cute. And if you're not already following me on Facebook, make sure you do at, what's my name again? Clueless Mama DIY on Facebook, because I'm going to be doing a live Buzz Lightyear Easter basket on there. So you don't want to miss that. Don't worry, you don't have to find me on Facebook this second, because I will remind you to check out the important links that will be in the description to keep you, I don't know, crafting. And one of those links is going to be from my friend Aneka from Craft Eat Repeat. I'm telling you guys, I know everybody recommends, check out my friend on YouTube, but this time it's for real. I shouldn't say that. That just totally insulted everybody else I've collabed with. That's not what I meant. I just mean she blows me away with her crafts, because not only does she do cool, awesome, affordable DIYs, but she follows that up with baking a DIY treat that matches the home decor. Let me take this little mic. You see this mic? So you're gonna wanna check out Nika's video. It's linked in the description, and you're gonna wanna subscribe to my channel. If you have fun on this, go ahead and do it right now. You can subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss my uploads. And if you like lives and other tutorials, you're gonna hit me up on Facebook, which will also be in the description. Go figure. Let's make some unicorns. Pretty much absolutely everything here you see is from the Dollar Tree. This is all the goodies, costs way less than 56 bucks. I think there's about 8 things, so $8. This is the car cleaning cloth. I love this, use this for so many DIYs. Some yarn that is perfect for unicorn. An actual unicorn headband is at Dollar Tree, so you could totally just stick that on like that. Can anybody guess what this is going to be used for? And some flowers of your choice. And Dollar Tree has pretty small baskets. Honestly, I would have liked a bigger one, but because this is a Dollar Tree DIY, I rolled with it. They're all pretty small and shallow. Even if there was a beach bucket, I would have picked that. And this isn't from Dollar Tree because it's really good quality glitter from shopantite.com. And in the description is a coupon for you that I always offer because I love it there. So I'm ripping off the, oh my gosh, mind blank. What are they called? Horn? Yeah, unicorn horn. Okay, anyways, this is just getting off to a rough start already. But anyhow, I just glued on the thread because I accidentally cut it off. Typical Clueless Mama D. Everything I do is super easy if you're new to my channel. So it's like, if I can do it, you can do it, and you could probably do it better. So yeah, lower expectations. So I just put some Mod Podge on the horn, and then on top of a paper plate, I glittered it up so that I can bend the plate after and funnel all that glitter back into the jar. And with the car rag, you want to make sure the fuzzier side is on the outside of the basket so it looks more like, a soft, fluffy unicorn, okay? So I'm cutting off horizontally about 2.5 inches wide a piece, and I'm just going to go ahead and set that aside. Then we are going to wrap the outside of this basket. If you have this basket, you only need one of these rags, maybe two if you mess up, but it doesn't go all the way across horizontally. So you're going to work diagonally. I can't pronounce anything, okay? Don't come here to learn English. You're coming here for easy crafts. So you want to work with the diagonal portion of the rag and kind of wrap it around on an angle so that you can actually get full coverage. You don't have to worry about the bottom too much, but just do your thing. And when it comes to the handles, you just want to take some time to make sure that you are going underneath it tight enough that, you know, the handle can still move. And then I just hot glued that in there, just like that, y'all. And before I forget, guys, I've already done a Minnie and Mickey Mouse Easter basket before, and my daughter on my channel made an edible Easter basket. So I will go ahead and link those in the description as well. If you're having any tough times like making it go across, I always just make a pleat by pressing my fingers in and folding the material over. So I think I had about 2 pleats here, as you can see in the back. And then I just made sure that the face was on the side of the basket that looked the best, which will be this side. So for the handle, I just took that strip that I told you to put aside, and I'm sorry that I'm not giving you guys the measurements. Honestly, like, you know what? I don't even know. I'm just doing it. I'm just eyeballing it, okay? And hot glue is everywhere. But now your basket is fully covered and ready for the unicorn face, and your fingers are burnt like toast. Okay. So here it is. If you guessed it, we are doing the ears with these guys, these little insoles that you get at Dollar Tree. And again, making sure that the fluffy side is going to be visible. So I'm actually just shaping the tip of these so that it wasn't pointing kind of on an angle as much, and that they look symmetrical. And cutting, oh, I forgot to say, don't cover the bottom. Keep some excess stuff from the basket so that you can do the ears. So anyways, that's the excess stuff. I didn't cover the bottom completely. And now I'm just folding this over. This part doesn't have to be pretty because you're going to cover the inside with yarn or ribbon or whatever. You could even do, you know, more felt paper, whatever you're going to do. But I love this ribbon. I hope you guys can find it because it totally has that total unicorn look, and it had little hairs, so it's perfect. I just made sure to put the threaded side down on the flat bottom, if that makes any sense, and then made the hairs stand up. So yeah, burnt myself a couple times in this one, not gonna lie. So I hope the kids appreciate more than just the chocolate inside of the basket. Okay, so you got your ears on, they're so cute, just hot glued those on. And now we've got the felt, 2 pieces of felt you need, whatever color choice you want. I'm doing the mouth, excuse me, area for the unicorn, and I just kind of cut like a pill shape, you know what I'm saying? Just cut a pill shape. And I took these flowers, and I thought this was really innovative of me because since there's a bunch of flowers, I just took the yellow part out, the pollen, I think it's the pollen, and I cut that little green tipperoonie there. And yeah, once I cut that off, I was like, oh my gosh, this is gonna be perfect for the unicorn dimples or nostrils, I guess it is. I don't know, I think it's the nostrils. But look, it's like fuzzy yellow nostrils, and then I didn't have to buy more felt paper to do that. So you actually want to put these a little higher up, like so, and then, oh my gosh, you got the unicorn's mouth. I'm using my Arteza metallic marker to show up on the black felt. Actually, I can put a discount for you guys in there if you need any kind of marker. Like, they have so many good markers. You can write on glass with this one. And, oh, I guess I'm showing you a clip of that. But there's the eyebrows that I just traced it out on the felt. And the nice thing about the whole felt and this rag is that you can kind of guesstimate before you glue on where you're going to put it on because it sticks. But you just glue the horn. You want the ears kind of close together if you're doing a unicorn so that it doesn't look like a bunny. And we're just going to hide that front area. with some flowers, those ones here, because we got some left over, and I think probably 3 is suffice. This is not like a big flower, it's small, so just be mindful of how big your flower is for the face. And there she is in all her glory. Comment below, let me know if you appreciated this basket, if you're going to try it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and hit that bell. It's so important if you actually want to see another video of mine. I love this. Check out Nikea Craft Eat Repeat. She's in the description and you won't regret visiting her. Bye guys. See you on Facebook or YouTube.